Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to bring more creatives to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to share a project with a team member. So what you want to do is you want to head over to canva.com and find a project that you have inside of your project collection. Once you've found a project, you're going to click on it. Once this project is finally up, all you want to do is head over to the top right corner and hit share. Here you're going to have a couple different options where you can add people, groups, or teams. You can even hit the plus sign and link it to another teammate. Also, if you want to give certain specific access to this project, you can do right here in this drop down, only you can have access, only the creator's team can have access, and anyone with the link can have access as well. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and hit that share button, and you can also come here and click more. So you can brand template it, view only link. So that's the link that we're looking for. So you want to share this with maybe like a client. So we're going to hit that link, and all you do now is copy that link, open up an email, and send it over to your client, and they can see the project that you're working on. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next one. Peace.